Degena no, I said we more for a me. Wo degena no, I give me more for a me. Wo iwe degena no, I give me more for a me. Wo degena no, I said we more for a me. Wo degena no, I give me more for a me. Wo degena no, agi mwi ma ovora me o. Wo. Governor Obaseki just landed in Deutschland last night. Governor Obaseki, you left those states as chaotic as things is now. Una tuli ade Germany nation. You want to come and re-infirm it to the Germans that we are just hating you, that we are just lying. You want to come and correct your formats. Straighten your formats with all the chaos going on in your states. The best and most important mission now is to run to Germany because your Guname does start something. Something where people don't want to pay attention to. You don't see and say, where this thing they go? 73 billion naira now want come up for now planned pockets now. Because of that, it can't be your priority now to run to Germany. But there is something you don't understand, Governor Obaseki. This is Deutschland. This will not be Nigeria. Anything you tell them, they love transparency. The first transparency Germans want to know now is the 10 million euro they give you, may you share for Edo youths. How many Edo youth life that 10 million euro touch? I'm not talking about those ones who they support you where you share for 500,000 naira for. How many Edo youths that 10 million don't touch their life? Now you want to come and tell German government, there is one man, is here in Germany, my opposition is sponsoring him, he want to destroy my image, he want to do this. So now make you run come Germany last night, Abi? Now make you want to do your underground work, Abi? You think that Germans not get sense? Guess what? They will go into my bank accounts, that will go into my phone conversations, and they will find out that nobody don't put 1 cent for my account. Go reach money when I take print flyer, go reach money when I take the buy internet, go reach my time, now they spend, come reach now. No opposition don't call me, tell me, say, fire down, they do one. No, not even Palace don't give me 1 cent, or ever call me, tell me, say, go ahead, do one. No. This is my own sole mission. If you have been following me on Facebook, you can testify that anything I talk about is either our kingdom, our history, or spirituality. This is all I do on my own cyberspace. So if you think you can just come to Germany and you want to spoil our image, you want to tell German people, don't listen to him, his opposition, his political party, we don't want to do this, we want our plan to be good. Ta Baseki. Instead of you to come out for ITV, talk to your Edo people, make all of us understand where your heart really belongs, how much beingness you really have inside of you. Give us that assurance that our ancestral heritage will be protected and safe. No, you quickly enter flight, you go rent private jet, you land for Germany. But you know what I say, we they track everything. We are tracking everything, both night and day, we they track everything. Any move you they make, we they track them. Better track your way past GPS. Now we they use. You don't know what you are dealing with. You just think Guname is one small boy. Because you are a governor. Because you go school. Because you get certificate. We not finish university. We don't leave school. Come on, call Europe. We not get those certificates where you get. But we don't get something now where you know if you ever get access to. Regardless how many billions of naira you feel carry put for your account. So you coming to Deutschland. You want to come and lie to Germans again? No. We are demanding full transparency from your government, from your administration. First transparency is the 10 million euro already they have gave you. Come and tell us. We and the German government want to sit down. You come and tell us. If you are a really true governor, Obaseki, we want you to come to where we want to do our protest. Come and speak to we, your people. Abi, you say we are your people, right? You say you are our governor, right? Come to where we are doing our protest. Come and speak to us and speak to the world. Calm us down. Make us understand things we don't understand. Make us see reasoning to trust you. Because now we have trust issues with you, Obaseki. We have trust issues. Because you promised the people of Ekiosa markets that you will give them 100 million naira from the government account to rebuild that market. Up till today, people for Ekiosa market not get where they trade. You promised people for Oba markets. Say as fire burn, this is historical market where UNESCO recognize. You left that place. And the same you want us to trust you with 122 million euro to build museum for us. You will not build honorary markets. You will not renovate honorary police station. So you are just profiting because many adult people, they sleep. They don't go wake up. Now make una the thing say, now so everybody be. This is Germany. We are Germans. So your Nigeria influence or whatever you get for you are just nothing. Now Nigeria now for be champion. You are just ordinary governor. Welcome. Now you just be. You don't know what you play where they want to arrest you for Paris. Where your commissioner take go jail, where you quickly run past, you don't know where to play. Europe is different. Europe is different. So if you think you will just come now to Germany and now come and tell the people here, and these are my political opponents, they are sponsoring them, they want to even plan rally. Please, you people don't listen to them. They are not saying the truth. You think you can come and fool Germans? You think you can come and fool Germans? The first question now we want the German government to ask you, when the German government, both of you now we want now be the point one I can't do so. So the first question now we want to ask German government is this: the 10 million euro you gave to Governor Obaseki, what did he did with it? Show us the evidence. Show us the evidence of what you did with 10 million euro, Governor Obaseki. If you cannot give estimates, a confirmed proved evidence of what you did with 10 million euro, so why should we trust you with 122 million euro? You are an investor, you are a banker, so you understand numbers. You know what I'm talking about. So don't think you can just run to Germany now and want to come and burn it like these people, they just hate me. No, they can go and do all the track record. I've never come out and do any political campaign. I've never come out to say I support this politician. I am not that type of Obaseki. You are fucking with the wrong generation. We are the ones that died in that war. We carried those pains. We knew what the British did to us. You think say Nanare and say they not great tell the world how many Edo they key? Edo people where they sleep. If you know many of your brothers they key for that war. Normally, we where they call minority today, we many pass all these people where they call us minority. They slaughtered us. It was genocide. That was not even war. War than when you and somebody is fighting. This one was just somebody killing you. That was what happened to Great Benin people. They did not fight. We did not fight war. And for my Esa brother, my brother, Urua, for you who is thinking, I bet this and a Benin people problem. Wake up. Your ancestors, now they be warriors where they fight for ancient Great Benin Kingdom. So when war come, now they really die pass. So if you think say you know you know it, you don't know yourself. Now the secret are they tell you so. Now una be the warrior where we take build kingdom. Now una they defend the kingdom. Now una die for war. So now never support the verse pass. But many history there where many people don't know. So you go come and make you feel like I'm not a part of this, this is them. No, we are all Edo people. Benin City is just a capital of all these Edo people. So don't think other people living in Benin is the owner. No, we all are the owner. So it concerns you. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Because yesterday I was speaking with one of my Eastern brother. Is that, you know, now we be Benin people. I was so angry. This is not about a Benin, Avema, Isha, Aushi. No, we are not blood, one family. Now we are just be. Just that different events come up with lead to different things. But that don't change the reality that we are just one family. So don't think this is not your fight. Governor Obaseki left Edo State yesterday and he ran to Germany. He ran to Germany. Ask yourself, why did Governor Obaseki become so obsessed with this our ancient artifacts? So Benin Kingdom invasion, the second time is loading. Because now you want to go and tell the German government, our Oba, and traditional people, they want to sideline these things. And I'm the governor. I'm very intelligent. I know international diplomacy. I know the same format where Yahoo boys they use they package Oyibo. Now you want to see they use. We not agree because we love this country. We want to protect Germany from being scammed. In case you don't know, we want to raise their citizens to speak to their government and tell their government, listen, you know, we don't trust African government. If you want to deal with anybody, deal with the indigenous people. Because if African government was nice, we will not be here in Europe now. Go to the street and see how many black people suffering in Europe every day. So if African government really care, why would this be happening? Artifact matter corner, you run, come Germany or Baseki. Since they collect Edo people, children, how many you don't come Germany, come follow them discuss? I've been on saying on a daily basis until they collect those people children for Europe. So it don't reach time of artifacts. Now you shall be wrong, come Germany. Now you be Minister of Art and Culture of Nigeria. Not be at those states there you support the manage. What it concern you concern international diplomacy. You will be governor. You want to do the work of president. Now you be Buhari. After people they complain, Buhari not good. See una brother, una own brother. He take it now as his personal campaign. He take this artifact in now as his personal dream. Go and look at Edo. People are dying in poverty, insecurity, no road, no electricity. That is not your major concern. Your major concern is to run to Germany because you see Oguname as threats. You see Oguna. Oh now no giagbe. We ma ye bege. We ma ye bege. Mani born we ma ye born wege. E now no giagbe ye. Egboga kan of yokola. E eni nije no kwa mume. We ma ye ni we yaku Obaseki. Ma ye nu yaku Ogun Orena. We have to put native chalk in this land to activate those energies. We maga we wayana weti mariefua. Esovana gie. Awe nena. Na you want wrong. Na you understand mathematics fast. Now you sabi calculate pass. You want wrong. You want to disrespect our ancestral sacrifice. You want to call the Mizu Emowa. Emowa is an alien name to us. That's what we are coming to Berlin. Mama, I said Berlin. I will get to Larry Berlin. Akaka, you want to be step ahead of us so that they don't listen to us. You don't. I really understand. I really understand. You don't really be honorary governor. And I be governor. You get police. You get money. You get political friends that they give you the AU, SLSC. Now, all those one you really know. Okay, now I understand. No problem. No problem. So you never still know, say if nights never decide the day, not the get future. So you never still learn those things. Okay, you still say we just like to talk. You still say we just like to talk. And resemble who just like to talk. And it's ever one of those adult people on social media who just want to talk. Now, maybe I saw you tell they see us. No problem. No problem. Any lie you like to the German government. Tell them we are opposition. Tell them we are being sponsored. Tell them any lie you want to lie. Tell them Germans will demand for transparency. If you like, go and pack all your supporters. Tell them to be signing that you share the money for them. Una nyash go still open. Not be that Benin. Una nyash go open. Una nyash go open. How long do you think you can keep on fooling everybody? How long? You are a governor of a state. You know if you provide security for your people. No electricity for your people. No good road for your people. No good market for your people. Which thing you don't really do for your people, where go change your people's life, where do they talk, they go. Then, the only famous thing we know you for is destroying houses, destroying hotels, destroying things adult people was even able to manage themselves to build for themselves. Meanwhile, the same you governor who is destroying people's houses, before you become governor, you did not even have ordinary block, talk less of land. In fact, while you were working for Shomole, you were living under your brother's house. I mean, not say we know everything. You didn't live for under your brother's house, small apartment. I know why you call that your brother name. That small apartment where they there. Not be you call the squat put. You feel rent house. You feel rent house or Basaki for Bini. Not be there you stay work for your brother, work for Shomole. At the end, when they make you governor, the house where you dey live now, not be rent, you rent her. You rent it for 10 years, you pay for 4 years. Because you be 4 years governor. So when the 4 years one hand, they draw you money, you not going to pay again until you were re-elected before you can go pay for another 6 years. So they say you don't buy her now, I will doubt. Because your Benininness don't exist. You don't carry the soul of a Benin man. You never ever care about Benin man. You never dig one ball for any community for Benin before. If to say don't people really know themselves. People like you not even supposed to get mine. I don't know. Shomole I blame. Shomole I blame. We cast this spell on those people. You will not even dig gutter with your free money. You they make you governor. So that's how you be. You don't come from nowhere. Can't be a governor. No, in England. Before you become a man, reduce my voice because Berlin, I will go with Berlin. Man, they save my energy now. Because the way the teacher they do me on Basek here, I know I go see you for street too because with the vest. We are the vest, Now when you dey Germany, you're inside your hotel room. They make your course there. Now if you want to come where we dey, make sure say you all come where and you talk where. If not even come where we for the do our protest. This one I advise because with the verse, that be facts with day. Then you now, you become governor, finish. You not even think, finally I'm not a governor. Let me just build house. At least man get house for this state. Till today, you did not build your house. Meaning your dreams and your future. Look at the word Baseki view Edo State, Benin Kingdom. If you Edo State as a farm, where you alien farm, where you just go to cultivate whatever you can cultivate and just live. So you just want to profit from that fact that my father's name is famous. I am intelligent. I am inside the political cycle, so I can just go back to my homeland and use it to prepare myself for the future. What is the future? He believed that after the governor, with his resume now and his CV, former Edo State governor, that automatically go boost his international presence and awareness. They will know, he's a former state governor, he's a former this, he's a former this. Those resume is what Obaseki is interested in. Obaseki don't give a fuck about it, we the Edo people. He don't give a fuck about none of us. So he successfully hacked the cyberspace, pay social media presenters, pay so many political legbuke, make those one dey for Obaseki, so that it go be like say you ain't want titi. Now so it take job and catch all Edo people. Because we are very emotional in nature. Oh, Obaseki, now people come to the fund that they pity for you, that they like you. Mumu people, you they pity for government. People who supposed to track, they follow, because these are politicians where they're so fucking greedy. But you don't know, you let them hack your emotion. You can't pity for them. When I leave, many y'all always support them because they believe say Godfather they fight them. Okay, fine, Godfather not there now. Ask yourself, who is the new Godfather now in Edo State? It's Governor Obaseki. If you are not loyal to him, they fuck you up. Me when they talk now, I'll they be in instantly, they go arrest me, beat my enemy, lock me up. These are the powers of Godfathers. Facts. Facts. When they complain of Godfather, we know they see people carry trailer, go community, they destroy house. In way say if I Godfather, in your supporters come begin carry trailer, go they destroy people houses, they go for community. When we never fight Godfather, we not hear all those things. Now, another political party can become a new cult group. If you talk anything there against them, your life is automatically at risk. Now many people don't call me. Now enter Binyo. Now my governor they talk to. Now you enter Binyo. I go enter. If unawaki monarchy, no problem. We don't try. We don't try. So no level. We don't ready self. So we know the fear death. In fact, if you go kill our enemy, you help us. Now help you help us. Because me say you don't help us achieve what you want suffer for this life too until you go achieve. So don't use death threatening people like us. We have understand the science of death itself. Go and listen to my teaching about the fear of death. Then you will know the kind of man where they talk to. You run and come to Germany. Now you did Germany. What do you want to discuss now? Somebody has read petition. They want to destroy our plans. I just want to come and reaffirm that these are political attacks. They are very angry that they lost the election, and they want to use these people that are living in Germany to organize like a fake protest so that you people can start having doubt. They don't want these things to come back. These are our political enemies. Please don't listen to them. We are the people you have to deal with. Even the palaces are where we are carrying them along. You think say Germans are those type of people. You don't really understand the Germans. Now America, if you really gross in America, orientation you get. You don't understand Germans. Germans love transparency. They're not this and play. As I did here now, I get right to just call Germans and say, print every cent you just spent since the past 10 years for this state. Print all of them. I want to read them. Just for fun. No reason, just for fun. They will still print it and they will still post it to me. Because now my rights. That's the kind of country you live in. So you don't think you can just live now your bush state where you know. Go see a dog, Bini be like a village. Honorary Ondo State. Sorry, Ondo is not ordinary. Ondo states, they get more lights than Edo State. And not forget, Ondo State is 3 times bigger than Edo State. So you just come from that kind of that kind of a bube. It's that dust where you from they come. Go see your motto that day and I sink. Shame, you as a governor, your own card is sink for state where you for be governor. Go see road when I give contractor that day now, it be like my mind, they use my mind to plaster wall. I yes when I go arrest the contractor, Abasil I don't know. Abasil I don't know how you they give contractor work, you know they put people where they follow up with the work. You will say you be technocrat, you will say you sabi money, you will smart. You will say you smart. But Obaseki is in Germany. This is the breaking news. Share the message. Is in Germany now. He want to come and reaffirm his position with the Germans. He want to make the Germans see it like we don't get sense, we don't know what they talk. He want to make us look stupid in front of the Germans. But that one is already your defeat for you to live in those states. Even as Nigeria, the hot rich now, you chief security officer, you leave that state and come to Germany, want to fight for waiting where your own papa do first said, you want to fight for him again. Meaning you want to orchestrate the second invasion of Great Benin Kingdom. Now there you for lose. Now there you for lose. Now there you for lose. Because even British not even run that show where they run that time again now. Yes, that's fact. Men don't they alive now again. We all don't know some things now. Join what you will know. So now those things not feel happen again. That is facts. So don't think you cannot use your intellectual mind. you believe you are the most smartest person in Edo. No, it's not done like that. You must respect people. You must respect people. You must loyal to people. Now, so this life to the function. Even a king get councils where he dey loyal to. Even a king. You will be governor, just believe say governor na what kind you be God. I'm governor. I'm governor. No. I already disappointed and the shame for some of our Edo people who is still very sentimental. They still think this is all about APC, PDP because their thinking is very small. So they don't know this is deeper. This is your future, your ancestral heritage, the sacrifice of your ancestors, the respect that they deserve. This is what it's about. This is bigger than the money. This is bigger than the politics. This is bigger than all those cycles. What basically does stuck on our mind put. So I'm gonna break that cycle and start thinking out of the box. Nothing wrong to support a governor and you see the governor is misbehaving and you correct him. You correct him because you love him. I don't hate Obaseki. I just disagree with this policy where he believes say na him go dey in charge of our ancestral heritage. This is a fight where we say Oba Kenzwa, Oba Erediawa, Oba Eweka. Everybody fought this fight. Can't even reach we were there here. We all fight this fight. You know how much of my money I don't spend to go around museums around the world just to go to they do research. Why are you think I tell know what I know about Benin Kingdom? You know how many people like me still there out there? We know they sleep, we they study, we want know, we they tell the story, we they teach our children, we they write books, we they do things to promote our culture. The you come man, you will never go down on a land. But you want to do. You want to use Benin as a factory where you want to bridge your money, then leave us inside dust. You know work, oh. You know your work. No work. You there Germany now, no problem. They there. Tell them all the lies you want to tell them. In fact, you're coming to Germany, he confirmed to German say, waiting with the talk now truth. In case you don't know, you can help us boost our petition. And now I go even hot pass. Now I go hot pass. May you no worry. We they come. Tell them your lies. We they come clean now. Come clean now. Because we, now transparency and truth, now be our weapon. And that's the strongest weapon now on earth. We don't hate you. We are not your opposition. We are not any political party. We just love our tradition and we love our culture and we respect our ancestors and we are demanding that they deserve the due respect that they are supposed to be given. Naming that museum, MOA, is an insult to Oba Ovora, man. It's an insult. In fact, for you, Obaseki, to even take the role, say, when they talk all these things, you are never supposed to be one of those people. It will say you smart. You're supposed to appoint, but I don't feel blame you. Your Beniness is gone. Yeah, so I don't feel blame you. Your Beniness is gone. And I pity for Edo people. If you not continue, they make this type of mistakes. They make people govern who not carry, who not get that Beniness. What is Beniness? Feel like the English, they deceive people. What is Beniness? That soul of being Oviedo Pataki. That soul, that thing where they vibrate inside your stomach, say you be a do. If that thing not there, you not deserve to be our governor. Facts. Go to England. If the Queen of England don't know, say you be patriotic Britain, you can never be Prime Minister of England, of United Kingdom. You can never be. The Queen have to approve you and accept you and check you. So what if they wrong if we they do the same thing? I beg you, because the people don't brainwash you. Now you serve alien God. Now you hate your tradition. Now you hate your your own culture. So now you think, say, you don't need those things again. Those things now waiting don't pass. And so you become slave and robot to alien system where don't take over your life. So Governor Obaseki, your mission in Deutschland has already failed. Where that to now, maybe now this morning, now you start to come out for hotel. Now you fed chop now, say, Guname don't come cast you for Facebook, say you did Deutschland. Well, this supporter, come and tell me, where's your governor? Where is your governor? Where's your governor? In Germany. What is he doing? What is he doing in Germany? Is he the president of Nigeria? Is he the minister of culture? Is he a ambassador? Not be a those states there job there. What are you doing in Germany, Governor Obaseki? Want to come and protect 122 million euro, which you don't plan the one I want to share them. Because that's all you guys care about. We are not interested in that. We just want things to be set right. And we go continue to collect our signature. Even if no Edo man sign her. People around the world will get sense. They go sign her. We go still achieve what you want to achieve. The same way Jesus told you, say, if you not watch it, he go raise stones. We watch it. Now we want to. So we not really give a fuck whether we understand Oguname or not. That's the fact. We go continue and nothing will stop us. So Obaseki, go and lie. Go and tell anything you want to tell. Go and say anything you want to say. We are not stopping. And we go continue to speak. Because the 10 million euro given to you, you have not done nothing with it. Nobody. Nobody. You know how many youth chairman I don't call for Benin? You are youth chairman. I know you supported this governor, which is not a problem. But please, I want to ask you, has the government contacted you and your local government in the past few months and share any money for you and your youth? They're like, yeah, money? From where? So you don't even know. So you don't even know how government say they work. You always know you support, they giving them money, now support, now do, now election don't finish now your entire ass. Hey, yeah, no wonder they know the respect you now. You're so cheap. So how much you cost? How much you worth now? How much do you really worth now? It's so sad. It's so sad. And when you talk about things like this, people think, yeah, politician, you just hate our governor. You don't understand. You don't understand. And before you can understand, it's not too late. Ask yourself, Governor Obaseki, what are you doing in Germany? Do you come for chopping or you come for medical checkup? What are you doing in Germany? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Okay, maybe you want to contact German government, say, go and arrest Oguname. Or you want to contact German government, say, don't listen to them. What are you doing here? Come and answer your people. Una dey follow on social media, I'm gonna write time. Governor Obaseki, what is your plan and mission in Deutschland? Because you want to sideline our Oba. You want to sideline the people of Great Benin Kingdom. You want everything to be done the way you... working and I say, be mani ye do. Who working and I say, because do say way. That's the facts. Do us, when do not the year Benin, no need to the waste time to speak Benin. Benin people, Edo people is more than you, Obaseki. So if you want your will to always be done, then that will have to be done in your family. or in your government as within your government activities, not within our ancestral, traditional, and spiritual activities. In that area, you are like a foreigner. You are a stranger. You're not even invited there. That's not. You don't even have a seat there. Am I well done? Just focus on your manifesto. Focus on your government plan. Focus on your government agenda, your political career. Focus on all those things. Leave anything that has to do with our tradition, our culture. Leave it for us who are in custodian in that area. And our leader in this, our culture and traditional council is the Oba of Benin. So leave it for us. And you focus on your own part. Very simple. Man, on analog, man, so to understand. Very simple. This will not be all about politics. Common sense. So I will end it here because one save strength. One save strength. One save strength. Me no ya mo speaker ya go your basekio. Wo whatever. Whatever we could do. Ima wa ya go. Me go have drama for na. Obasekio. Imaga go you well. I go your way, I go you well, I go you well. It was almost to me. So we leave you now. We wish you a nice day. Please, you had me block all these mumu people where they don't confuse. No, Messiah they side J, but you still there, they find trouble. So if you to go the plan now to release your Messiah DJ, imagine, Messiah DJ. And you know, see the shame. You were supposed to traumatize now. They go through your trauma inside how they think how your life won't go. You do here, they write, they comment for Guna. More you leave you now, not they relevant for now. Now better thing we only talk to. Everybody get your own pain. I beg. Leave me man cry. May you go see cry or cry. More than not come they distract person for comment. If you don't understand what they talk about, go your own way. Leave us. Obaseki you know what they talk about. Now make can run come Germany. German government know what they talk about. Now make they give us permission to come their parliament, come to protest. So when you have no way no understand, Mona just stay one side. This is not for you. If you don't understand, cause I not to get time to come to the explain. We need those way don't wake, not be those way see this no. Facts. So I send you peace, I send you love. Governor Obaseki, you are welcome to Deutschland. You are welcome to Germany. We welcome you. If you are really a governor of Edo people, come to the protest and come and explain to us and make us understand. And me, I'm a very understandable man. If you can really convince me and make me understand why we have to first be Emowa, the name Emowa. Second, why you have to be you, not the palace, making all these decisions. If you can really convince me and my soul and the things that come with me to life, I not get any problem with you now. We'll follow up now. After all, I made a breed the thing we all did. Not be we first they say made a bringer. Now we can want to say now, but Mona never bringer, we never clear. Now we they run them. So may you convince us. But if you feel say we not be anything, we have be nothing, no problem. No problem. We'll still tell you say for we to come become German, come day this country, come your see day. No, just still be as you still they do your own, they go for that side. We just still do our own this side. So our not just still be charge play where you just still ignore. We don't go through process also, and that process that they give birth. So everybody day on you do what you can do. If you have not signed the petition, go and sign it. Go and sign it. We are not joking here. Obaseki is very scared now of this petition. Now make can run come here. So if you still there, see they think, meaning you now never understand nothing. That's facts. So I wish you a nice day. I send you peace and love. They are not going to give them no money again. Then we are not going to allow it. And that name MOY must change. MOY is alien to us. We need something where will give us joy. If they say you're not fit one like that, then no problem. Keep it. Keep it now. After all, we know what it is. Keep it. If you can't do it the way we want it with the people, then keep it. Simple as ABCD. Keep it. How do I sign it online? I will share the link again now. Please, anybody who have the link, you can post it. I will send the link again now. You will sign it. After signing it, you will receive email. Because just signing it is not enough. You will click the link, fill in your data, and then put your email. Then you will receive an email. That email you receive is very important. Because without you don't reconfirm it with that email, your signature will not reflect on our website. Not our, that's the wrong word. On the website. Because the website belongs to German Parliament. This is not a petition from me. This is petition to German. So any signature you are signing now is going direct to German Parliament. So they are seeing the movement, everything. So this will not be charge play. So sign it, follow it nicely. If you don't know how to sign it, tell me. I will send you the PDF file. And then you can download it or print it and use your own pen to sign it. One file is about 10 signatures. After you sign, give to your friends, your family, they will also sign. Then all you now have to do is take your phone, snap the picture, and send it to me on WhatsApp. That's all. You don't have to post it back. Then if you don't know how to download PDF file, send me your address. I will use my own money, print it, post it to you. All you have now to do is to fill it and sign. So you don't get any excuse say you don't know how to take one. That's what I'm trying to offer you. Anyhow, just know they shy. Because some of us they shame. Worry mama we. You are men patient. You are men patient. So nothing can say. I wanna go with computer. Worry. I understand. My way. Mama way. Because if my nigga shot it talk back ni boomer na yagmen ni amanya wata enya ya biata or ya sunu. So my way my way ya ti said obi sunu iriono akugbe or etin. But why not to the worry? And I know the damage that has been done to our people. So my focus not really there on our people. And the humans who did this world. Now we now can connect with. So any of our people, if you follow along, good. If you not still follow along, no problem. No problem. So far we did our life, so now that can't really matter. I wish you a nice day. Governor Obaseki, tell your life finish, go back house. But if you know say you be governor, come to Berlin, come and meet with us. No worry, not be fight, not be, in fact, police food there, so nobody feel fight there. Not be fight, not be anything. Just come as a governor where you be. Come and explain to us. Use that mid-journal to also educate us. Maybe things there now where we know you know. And a fact, so may you can't really break it down to us. But not come with us ideas, say economic benefit. We don't need all those nonsense. Cause not be our artifact. You want to do business. The oil and gas way there, though if that one not issue na chop, them on arrest. So come with good thing where you know say we go like for a year. Because if we not like what you they talk, we off back you like say you never did that. So come and speak to us since you are now in Germany. Now Saturday be the protest next tomorrow. So may you come and speak to us if you are really representing the interest of the Benin. Come, we are inviting you now. You come. If you are his aide, his friend, his supporter here, tell him he is invited to it's a peaceful demonstration. Come and join us. Pack your supporter with the Germany, may they join you. More of una come. Mona constantly tell us why we need to relax and why we need to trust you. Maybe you can build that trust. Who knows? But if you think you know and ignore us, pass back, get the toxic German government. We will demand for full transparency. And it not just end there. We'll sue you to court of UNESCO. You go see all the process. You go see all the process. All this one they do now, this one are your intro. This one are your intro. The more you want to use your government power to oppress us, the more we go still they use international laws till they let you know say you are just a governor. Facts. 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 Not be bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.